guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today we're going to work in the front yard. My past few videos have been in the backyard, but today we're going to do the 1-2 punch. And what I mean by that is we're going to hit the front yard with the aerator, Ryan LawnAire 4, and wait a few hours, grab the Allett Kensington 20H and put the scarifier cartridge on it and do a cleanup. Right now it's about 9 o'clock. It's already in the mid 80s and boy is it hot. So let's get this first part done. So sit tight and hang on for the ride. There we go, guys. Got the front yard aerated. I didn't do the ditch. Didn't do the ditch up there. That's another project. So we got the front yard looking really good. I'm not sure how. I may wait till this evening to scarify it, but I may do it a little earlier. Depends on if it clouds up and cools off a little bit. Right now I'm pouring with sweat. I got all the way around here to this little area here and the entire front yard. Look at that. Looks like a golf course just been aerated, huh? Whew. I gotta see you in a few minutes. Hey guys, an hour later and it looks like we may have some rain clouds moving in. That was fast. It looks like these cores are pretty dry. Look at them up close here. And also went ahead and changed out my reel with the scarifier cartridge. For information on how to change out a cartridge on an Allett, just click the link. I'll put a link up here in the top right corner for you guys to check on. Let's crank this up and get it cleaned up. guys, hope you enjoyed this episode. We aerated about 3,500 square feet, a little more. We did not do the ditch here. I'm about to start a battle with the Bahia and centipede patches in my ditch, but this Bermuda is looking beautiful. You can see the stripes. The Allett really cleaned up the plugs, even left a little striping action going on. All right guys, if you found this video enjoyable, learned a little something from it, it took about, I'd say 40 minutes total time to do this 3,500 square feet with both machines. You know, that's without all the video recording and all. But if I just hit it, it would have taken about, I'd say 40 minutes. But if you did find something useful, enjoyed it, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts and everything. Have a great day.